What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Semi AK Jr. here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, every time we turn on that camera, we have fun with it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, you know what day it is. It is Wednesday. And I have a website loaded up behind me. So you know what that is. Website Wednesday. So here's a brand new website I'm going to introduce to you. But this website Wednesday is going to be a little bit different. It is a website that you can see a lot of great things. Well, not a lot, but just a certain thing. It works great, especially from people that travel. But you want to get the full effect. It is an app that you have to download on your smart device. That'll work that way perfect. This will give you a little general idea of how to use it, but on the app it'll give you the full features of it, and it's completely free, guys. So I really hope you guys check it out. You understand how I'm going about this on this website. So as you see, I got the website loaded up behind me. It's a blue screen. You're not really knowing what to do there. So I'm going to shrink myself down so we can get started with the review. And this is the website I'm talking about. It's called WiFiMap.io. It'll bring you right into this website right here, guys. And this is where you can find all your free website hotspots throughout any city that you want to use. Whether it be in your home area, you're traveling internationally, you're traveling to a new city, you need Wi-Fi. This will give you all the hotspots available. And ones that are password protected, people already use the password. And it'll give you the password for that certain Wi-Fi. Now, if the password was updated within a certain time and was then updated on the website, this is basically a user-based website where people update the password as they go. They know the password, they use it, so on and so on. You guys know what I mean. So let's say I'm taking a trip to Miami, all right? And I want to see all the Wi-Fi spots in Miami. So you click on that, you type in the city you want to type into. I'm going to do Miami. Click on that. And if you put an exact area, exact address where you're going to be at, it might give you more information better. So Miami is a pretty big city. So this section right here is more towards near the airport than anything else. But they found the hotspot in Houston. I don't know why. Let me do Miami. I don't know why I did that. So click on that. And this is more towards the airport of Miami. But Miami is much bigger than just the airport area. So as you can see, they have a whole bunch of Wi-Fi spots here. Now, the reason why I say this is good to use it on a website is because, let's say you plan your trip, like I mentioned, to a local area, another state, or even outside the country, and you want to plan to see if there's Wi-Fi areas in the area you're going to be at. This will help you find it. Now, to get the full picture, you would need to do it on your phone or your tablet, because this requires an app to download. So it works for both Android and Apple devices. See, you want to download it right there from the Apple and right here from the Google Play Store. Simple as that. It's a free one. Now here, let's say I'm staying right here. I'm in this area right here. I'm not picking one. I'm just going to say right here. I want to see what this Wi-Fi password is. I'm going to click on that. It'll tell me the last time somebody connected to it. We'll say 6 days ago. How many connections has been connected to this through this app? 8 times. How long ago it was created? A year ago. Now, if I want to see the password on this one, I would have to get the app. It tells you where to get the app to see. I wouldn't be able to even see the password on here until what it is. But here, at least you know where to go for the one spot if you need it. So it says it's famous footwear. It tells you the address, everything where it is, what's the name of the router, and then once you download the app, you'll go ahead. So if you download the app before you traveling anywhere, use that and then you could get it, or you could search the password beforehand, so when you go there you already have the password saved on your phone. Up to you. So let's check another connection. Let's say I want to do to this connection here. Same thing, gives me all the same information. How many times it's been connected? 83 times. And one thing I did notice that I forgot to mention on the last connection that I showed you, it tells you what is their speed test. What's the ping per millisecond? What's the download speed, which is pretty good, 32.4 megabytes per second, which is pretty good. And the upload speed is 29.1. It's like almost like your home internet if you have the basic connection for home Wi-Fi. Again, it tells you the last connection, the hotspot created, how many connections have been connected to this, who shared it, on here, because this is a user base. This information is updated by the users themselves. The people that go to this spot and find one, they can add this to the collection. I'm not going to go into the phone and show you. You guys download it and use it from there. All right, it tells you the name of the Wi spot again, and where is it from. Simple as that. So it gives you a whole bunch of places. So I'm going to go back and search a different place. I travel to the Philippines a lot because that's where my wife's from, and so we visit the family members there. And we're gonna go to Philippines. Let me see. Oh, I spelled that right. I just didn't put capital. Okay, so I didn't search for Philippines. So you probably got it because I know I searched already, and it was on Manila. I'm gonna do Manila. Oh, I can't even spell Manila correctly. So let me go back because it's not. Oh, it did find it. I'm sorry, it did find it there. Can't spell Manila for the life of me. So there you go, Manila. That's the capital of the Philippines. I'm not gonna put where she actually is, what city she's from. But here it gives you a general area of where you're gonna go, and boom, you can get all the Wi-Fi's there, and it gives you all the list of the Wi-Fi's here, guys. So you can find them here, all here. And if I click on this one, I'm gonna search this one again. You get the same information, how many connections, how the last time somebody connected to it. For this is all user based. So somebody on this website, what time the last time they connected to this Wi-Fi. That's all it's showing. How long it was created, the speed that you have here, and same stuff, guys. Same information here. This is good. Again, if you want to get the full feature and get all the passwords, everything, get it on your device, whether it be a tablet or an iPhone or Android phone. Whatever it is you want to use it on there, and you can get the password. Here won't let me see it because it says you need the app to get it, and I'm doing it on my PC. But this will get, at least this will help you get a general idea how many Wi-Fi connections are going to be in your area they're going to be visiting. So it'll help you out determine how to check out and what you got to do. Either you rely on those free Wi-Fi spots, or you get an eSIM, which eSIM is an electronic SIM card that you can add to your device. But now, with that, you have to have an unlocked phone, because if you go back here, it gives you the option for eSIM. If you click on eSIM here, you can buy eSIM from them, so you can have Wi-Fi anywhere you go in the country. But then again, guys, your phone has to be unlocked for it to use. Because I was thinking of using the same thing when I went to the Philippines, and I couldn't buy eSIM because my phone was not unlocked. Because I do those monthly payments through my phone carriers that I let them charge me the phone fees for 2 years. Until that phone is paid off, I can't unlock the phone. Unfortunately, I'm stuck that way. It is what it is. I don't care because it is what it is. I had Wi-Fi regardless because where I was staying at, my in-laws' houses and stuff, we all had Wi-Fi, so I wasn't worried about that. But guys, good website to check out, especially if you're a travel person. Check it out, guys. So that's all I got for today. There's not much to go over. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed everything I had to show you today on this website, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of this video, guys, hit that subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. And until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.